Seasonal pest trends dictate when and where prospective customers are most likely to seek pest control services, so timing marketing for those peaks drives sales. Plan your calendar around predictable pest cycles by mapping the types of pests that surge in each season and the geographic variations that change those timelines. Begin outreach at least 4 weeks before an expected increase so your messaging reaches homeowners as they start noticing activity and before competitors saturate the market. Use layered channels with clear calls to action, targeted local search ads, timely social posts, and direct email or postcard reminders that highlight specific seasonal risks such as ticks in late spring or rodents in late fall. Offer limited-time seasonal service specials and bundled packages that make the value proposition obvious for the problem homeowners will face soon. Educate customers with concise tips they can apply right away and include a simple next step like scheduling an inspection or signing up for an automatic seasonal plan. Track conversions by campaign and by pest type so you can reallocate budget to the channels and messages that produce the highest booking rates. Common mistakes include waiting until the peak to advertise, which means you miss the decision window, so start outreach early and schedule follow-up touches. Relying on broad, generic messaging that does not speak to the specific pest drivers for the season. So tailor copy to the pest and the homeowner pain point, and neglecting past customers who are the easiest renewals, so implement automated reminders and special renewal offers timed to the season. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work tied to seasonal demand and home service needs. We host an active discussion community where users and professionals exchange timing tips, contractor experiences, and local pest observations to help plan smarter marketing and hiring.